We have here the winners of Mr. Bataan 2025 and of course, the CEO, Ryan Guanzon. Natouch po ako na habang kanina tinitingnan po kayo. Parang medyo kakaiba ang ginawa ninyo. Bakit po ganito? Is it because it's Christmas or is it really the advocacy of Mr. Bataan?
Actually, itong gift giving namin na to, siguro mga 11 years ko nang ginagawa. So right now, sabi ko nga dahil meron na kaming Mr. Bataan ngayon, gusto ko ma-feel din ng mga candidates yearly kung ano yung napifeel ko kapag nagbibigay ako ng mga blessing with other people.
Siya, talagang may purpose yung ginagawa niya. Now, Mr. Bataan, you have set a very high standard, di ba, sa ating first ever edition. Now you're having the second edition. Nakita mo na silang lahat. Do you think there will be another JC on the making?
Actually, when it comes sa pageant, wala lang ibang JC. Ako lang yung nag-iisang JC, pero there's always ibang character pagdating sa pageant. Siyempre, hindi lang character, yung attitude, the way you portray to other people, yun yung makikilala ka. Kasi pag sinabing JC, ikaw yan eh. So pag sinabing ibang name, ikaw yan. So it's all about how you carry yourself, not only on the stage, but on the other people also.
Another Mr. Bataan but not a JC, di ba? Okay, I think I saw you already on the King of the World and you already did your part on the representing Bataan. Now, anong masasabi mo sa mga candidates? Of course, meron dyan lalaban naman ng King of the World soon.
And I just want to say good luck to them because I know that they have what it takes to put Bataan on the flag in the Philippines.
Sorry to ask, Ryan, are these four men right here will also be joining national pageant soon?
Mr. Tourism World Philippines on 2026.
And
Actually, si Luigi, tapos na po siya sa Mr. Friendship International Philippines. And si MJ, lalaban po yan sa Mr. Grand. Yeah. And si Nico, lalaban po siya sa Mr. Icon Philippines.
you, first of all, we're gonna be competing probably on March, I think, Mr. Grant, I think, by, I don't know, March, April. So, are you prepared now? Are you?
Sa pageant naman, lagi naman tayong handa dyan.
Sana all palaging handa. So, Mr. Icon, finished na on Mr. Fresh. How was that experience?
Ito dami kong experience, ang dami kong bago nakilalang friends. So, yan, talaga naman friendship talaga yung nabuo sa amin doon, the brotherhood. And, ayun, na-enjoy ko siya. Sobrang saya.
Okay. So, you naman will be competing next year also on tourism, isn't it? So, okay na rin. So, laban na.
Yes, hindi natin susuko ang Bataan.
So, can you please invite everyone to watch our probably next year pa naman. It's too early but early for a preparation to watch Mr. Bataan.
Hello everyone, we are the Mr. Bataan 2025 together with our CEO, Mr. Ryan Guanzon, and I am inviting you all to watch our Grand Coronation Night that will be held on Abukay People's Center on March 21, 2026. So I'll see you guys.
Huwag nating isusuko po ang Bataan. Thank you so much and good luck everyone for Mr. Bataan. Thank you so much. Thank you po.